Hello friends, it's Kawalji Kaur and today I am going to discuss with you the syllabus of BBA first semester. Paper code is 102. First and foremost topic is basic accounting. Basic accounting starts with nature, scope, objectives, users of accounting information, users of accounting information, accounting principles, accounting principles. In the whole syllabus, first of all, we will go through the nature and the features of accounting. Starting with its features, the first and foremost part is recording. Second one is classification. Third is summarization. Then comes interpretation. Finally, communication. First and foremost step is recording. When we are going to start that particular part, that is recording, all the business transactions are first of all recorded in the primary books of account, and that is called a journal. If the business is conducted on the small scale, then all the transactions are first of all recorded in journal, and if it is to be conducted on the large size, then the journal is further subdivided into the subsidiary books. Like for recording the cash transactions, cash book is prepared, and for recording purchases like credit purchase, a purchase book is being prepared. If we talk about the next step, that is the classification. After recording all such transactions in the journal and subdivision in subsidiary books, then comes classification. Classification is the process of putting the transactions of similar nature at one place, and the place where such transactions are recorded is known as ledger. All the transactions are posted from journal to ledger. Let me take an example, like if we have to record the transactions of the sales, then we will put all the sales transaction at one place, and the place where all such transactions are recorded is known as sales account. After classification, then comes summarization. Summarization means presenting the classified data in such a form so that we can find out and drag any kind of a conclusion. For such purpose, for the summarization, trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet is prepared. All such are called final accounts. Final accounts. Starting with trading account, then profit and loss account, and then comes balance sheet. Summarization is the third last step. After that comes interpretation, means finding any kind of the conclusion. If we prepare trading account, then why it is being prepared? It is prepared in order to find out gross profit or gross loss. If we prepare the profit and loss account, then it is prepared in order to find out the net profit or net loss. And finally comes balance sheet. It is being prepared in order to find out the assets and liabilities. Assets are taken on the left hand side and the liabilities are taken on the right hand side. Then comes communication. finding the results, then communicating and presenting the information to all the interested parties in the business. There are the many persons who have such kind of interest in the business, like we talk about the government, owners, suppliers, customers, all such kind of the parties have interest in the business. In order to get information, it is also purpose of accounting to communicate such kind of the data like financial results to all such parties in such a way so that they can find out any kind of the conclusion. Thank you friends. Bye bye.